and it has been an amazing time. I have really drawn from his pool of knowledge, especially in the aspect of creating leads. And as I am living here now, I am just going to go make do with what I have learned to create leads and to move to the next level in my business.
It's a life giver. From everything I've learned here today about prospecting, about the digital marketing space, I have taken home some key points which I am going to work on, and I believe that at the end of it all, I'm going to get a better me.
And I've gotten so many experiences in the digital world. And I'm inviting everyone to join the next class, Hacking Class 2.0.
Being under the teaching, the real tutorship of Dr. Azan has been wonderful. I learned how to target people in diaspora if you want to make your advert, and I learned that the quality of your audience determines the quality of your thinking.
I have learned a lot of things even beyond the Facebook ad and digital marketing. I also learned about email marketing. In fact, what I've been struggling for like years, Mr. Dr. Azan explained it to me and revealed it to me in a very nice and wonderful way.